Hey Nail Bestie! Today we're unboxing the MelodySusie H series dust collector that I purchased. I've been wanting something reliable for the nail setup. My last dust collector looked cute, but honestly it blew more dust around than it caught. So we passed a warranty card and we have the user manual, just in case we actually want to read the directions this time, because I usually bypass it and just go for what I'm gonna be doing. But this will be in handy. And here's the main star, the dust collector itself. And it comes with a power cable, which is pretty lightweight. I wasn't expecting that. Unwrapping feels so satisfying. I love that moment when everything's still brand new, the finish smooth and upfront. And now we're rotating, trying to check everything out. And there are the 4 control buttons. I'm guessing those are the low to high speed settings, but that's where I gotta read the user manual. I'll be checking out the filter. Easy to remove. You could tell that's easy to clean. And that's a big deal if you do nails often. Inside you can see the little fan that pulls in all the dust. That's where the magic happens. Everything fits back perfectly and it clicks into place nice and snug. You could tell that was well made, not flimsy like some of the cheaper ones I've tried. That is all, and I cannot wait to test it out. Thank you for watching. Bye Nail Bestie. Bye!